But tell her.
I love you.
Talk to her, Maya.
I love you.
Oh, there she goes. Look at her. Aww. She doesn't. Hey, no. Look at the cute baby. Lola, you love your sisters? Selena, you want to come tell Lola you love her? Come talk to Lola. She's been talking. She said she wants to hear your voice. Oh, you want to talk to her?
The cutest little baby in the whole wide world. She's licking me. I love you. I love you. I love you. The cutest little baby in the whole wide world. The cute little baby in the whole wide world.
Ew. Kiss. We don't know how to kiss with our mouth closed, huh? You're talking?
Yeah, just do flower. Flower sign.
Who's the best big sisters in the whole wide world?
Me and Amaya and Baby Lola.
Yeah, Baby Lola's the best little sister in the whole wide world. Yeah? Okay, bye.